Hey growers, it's me, Lucas, and I'm out here at my half-acre vegetable garden yet again, and today is a very exciting day because I'm going to be picking tons of spicy and sweet peppers. So let's get harvesting. So let's start off with the red flame cayenne peppers. These ones have just been producing tons of spicy, long red pods this season, and I haven't actually really eaten any because, believe it or not, I don't even like eating hot peppers. But I grow them because they're really fun to grow. The plants are very hardy, they do well in virtually any climate, and they just look really cool. Wonderful peppers. Just look at this spicy guy. Red hot cayenne. This is what I'm talking about, people. There's a ton of green ones on these plants as well. Baller. I next want to bring your attention to the mighty jalapeno. This variety is called El Jefe, meaning the boss in Spanish, and it is producing a whopping amount of jalapenos. There's probably about 100 jalapenos on this one plant. Can you believe this madness? It's falling over. This is a perfect specimen. We shall return to the lab and conduct research and analysis. Taco Tuesday, anyone? It's time to harvest the sweet peppers.